Once we have that BTU rating, we're going to divide it by our temperature difference of the return and supply air. So we're going to go get the temperature rating of the return air. Alright, looks like it's about 70 degrees down here. And then we're going to take the temperature coming out of the supply up here. Looks like it's climbing to around 87. So down here we got that. So we're going to take that number of this subtracted by that. And then we're going to divide this number by that. And then we're going to multiply that by 1.08. And that'll give us our CFMs, which for this unit is 766.